Hi everyone, welcome to the Having Fun Making Jewelry collaboration for 2020. I wasn't sure I'd be able to get anything done this week, but I did manage to get a few pair of earrings done. This month we were to use red, white, and or blue. Let me just double check. And the extra optional things were, oh gosh, where is it? Incorporate pearls and or do a patriotic theme. Those were the optional challenges, not required. One was incorporate pearls and one was patriotic theme. And it could be red or white or blue. It doesn't have to be red, white, and blue. So I just went simple. I pulled out some things I've had in my stash forever, my business stash. And like some of the first things I bought when I didn't know any better, kind of thing. So here's what I did. I just made some earrings. These are some of the things I had bought from JTV, Jewelry Television, a long time ago. They have Jewel School. I had bought, they used to have these huge bags of gemstones and pearls and whatnot. So I had these red pearls and white pearls. Now these are regular freshwater pearls, but the thing is they're all like weird shapes and stuff, and the finishes aren't perfect and whatever. And then I also had in that same kit or whatever, I had these red like 4mm rounds. They're a gemstone. I don't know what kind of gemstone they are. Maybe a red jasper or something. I don't think so, but I'm not sure. I had these glass beads. I had a whole kit of sorry, I'm gonna try and keep this short too because I'm late getting it up. I had this whole kit of blue beads I bought from a online store years ago, and I'm sure it's out of business now. I know it is. And then I had these Bead Gallery Crackle Glass. I used them on a couple. Crackle Rock Crystal Round 8mm. And I also had these Bead Gallery, what are these called? Shell beads? I think they're shell. Yeah, 4mm natural shell beads, white. So this had 2 strands on it, and one had already been opened, and I'm still using that open one. These aren't quite done, so we won't even go there. Those were out of the blue stash too. So these blue beads have, some of them have more red in. So this is the first pair I made. Oh, and these stars. These stars I got from Prima Bead in 2013, and I have like two strands of them. Yeah, and I forget how many were on here. Anyway, they're just base metal beads. 8-inch silver star chain is what it says. So it's a chain. I actually might use it as a chain for another project, but I didn't get that far. And then these tiny little blue beads were also Bead Gallery. They are aqua mixed glass 3mm round. Some of them are aqua, some of them are blue. This is all I have left of them. And then these ear wires came out of a kit from jewelrymaker.com. I just used the ear wires out of the kit, and that's it. And then oh, and then these they've been in my stash forever. I have a bunch of these little silver beads, probably from Michael's or somewhere like that. And so that's the first pair of earrings. They're kind of long and dangly. They have the star hooked on to this little bead thing, and then this hooked on to the bottom. So that would be for somebody that likes a long earring. Let me see how long that is. Approximately, I think about 3 inches. Yeah, about just about 3 inches, about 2 3/4 inches long from point of entry into your ear. So those are the longest ones. And then I have these. I thought, well, maybe somebody doesn't want red, white, and blue. So here's just a star with a blue and white dangle, like that, which I thought was cute as well. And then these were the last ones I did, but it's the last star pair, another blue and white. Now these, I think these are supposed to be glass, but they feel sort of like they have a rubbery coating on the outside or something. I don't know. They're like a sparkle, maybe they're acrylic. They feel like glass with a rubberized coating or something. And so that's just a stud earring. All the rest of these I think are on silver plated copper studs. And I didn't bother putting a dangle off the bottom of the star. The star is the dangle on that. And then these don't have any stars on them in case somebody just wants. So these have freshwater pearl. I only had 2 of these beads, which are like two-tone blue. I thought they were pretty cool. And then one of the crackle glass beads. So just a simple dangle earring. I wear that kind of earring quite a bit actually. Just simple dangles or double dangles sometimes. And then these were freshwater pearl, both. I had to use what was called a featherweight ball head pin, because I could not get either an eye pin or a regular head pin through them. They would go through the red one, but not the white. So pearls generally have smaller holes in them than others. And I did kind of a messy wrap on the top of there. I actually doubled the loop at the top because that featherweight's like 26 gauge wire, very, very thin. And I did what's called like a messy wrap and wrapped it around, finished up the ear head pin just to wrap at the top to give it a little more stability. So those are those, and they're sort of flat on one side. It's the only thing I don't like. And then the last pair, I think these are from Jewelry Television also, but they were not put away right. They were in with the head pins. So I figured I'd use them, and just a piece of the bead, shell bead, the round gemstone bead, and then those glass beads under these bead caps, and with the stud earring again. I think those came out kind of cute, like dancing ladies or something, and they are patriotic. So that's my makes for today. I hope you will go check everyone else out. I'm sorry I don't have anything more complex or anything for you today. I just, with everything that's been going on, I just didn't have it in me to do more than earrings today. I might, like I said, do something with the chain. But honestly, I don't seem to, like at craft fairs and stuff, I don't seem to sell, except for Christmas, the themed stuff as much as I do just plain like blue or red or white. So I only try to make a couple themed things because I don't know if I'll be able to sell them. So anyway, I don't know if you have that situation or not too. Let me know in the comments down below. And do you have a favorite? Would you do something differently? Yeah, let me know. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Be sure to check everyone else out that's listed below the video. Bye for now.